Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Usha. Hope you all are doing great with your friends and family. So, let's make some chatpata vegetable pakoras and poha cutlet today, which we're going to serve with the green chutney. So, without further delay, let's get started. First, we will do the preparation for green chutney. So, here in the mixer jar, I'm going to take some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, one small sliced onion, five to six green chilies. Green chilies you can take as per your choice. Now 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. Now I'll add salt as per taste. Squeeze 1 lemon juice, 1 spoon cumin powder, roasted cumin powder, and now we'll grind it. So here our chutney is ready. So now let's do the preparation for the batter of pakoras. Here I am taking chopped onion, chopped potatoes, 1 small ball of boiled corn. It is optional, if you don't want you can skip it, and garlic and green chilies paste, few ginger and chopped spinach. Here I am adding ajwain seeds, salt as per taste, small spoon of turmeric powder, 1 small spoon of red chili powder, and now I'll add 4 to 5 big spoons of gram flour. After adding this flour, now we will mix it. We have to mix all the ingredients together with the flour properly. No need to add water because vegetable itself has its own moisture. I'm adding more gram flour. Now mix all ingredient properly. So here you can see almost the batter for the pakoras is done. So now we will fry it in a hot oil. So here I am taking a pan of hot oil and now we will fry the pakoras. We have to put one by one slowly in the hot oil, and we need to fry all the pakoras on a medium flame. So now you can see it's almost done. Now we will take it out in a plate. Like this we have to take out all the pakoras. So now this is almost done. Now we will do the preparation for poha cutlet. So here I am taking a 2 small ball of poha. I'll add 1.5 ball of water in it and we will keep it for 5 minutes. After that, as you can see, the pohas are almost soaked in water. Now we will squeeze the excess water from poha. Like this, we have to make our poha properly dried up, as you can see. Now we will add the ingredient in our poha. So here I am adding chopped coriander leaves, 1 ball of chopped onion and 5 to 6 green chilies. Green chilies you can take as per your taste. 1 small spoon of salt as per taste. 1 small spoon of red chili powder. 1 small spoon of turmeric powder, and I'm using some chili flakes also. You can skip it if you don't want. Now we will mix all the ingredient properly. We need to knead it properly. Before that we will add 1 big spoon of gram flour. Now mix all the ingredient and we need to make a dough like this. So this our dough is done. Now we will make cutlet from this. So take a small ball. Now just flatten it on your hand and we have to make a circle like this, just like a aloo tikki shape. So similarly we have to do all one by one, or you can make the shapes as per of your own choice also. So now it is done. Now let's fry it. So here in a hot oil pan, I'll add one by one. We have to fry it on a medium flame. Now as you can see, it is done. So we will take it out, and then similarly we have to fry all. And here some french fries shapes also have done. So now let's do the plating. So here is our crunchy poha cutlet, and mixed veg pakoras are done, which I have served with the green chutney. So do make it for your friends and family, and share your views on the comment section below. Hope you really like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new updates. See you soon in the another video. Thank you for watching.